Okay, so I have already shown how to draw this. Okay, but in that picture I did not draw the human figure. Okay, now we'll start with the color. I'll show you how to color. So first I'm going to do the base colors. Base color means the sky, water and land. Okay, so let's start with the sky. I want red, orange and the yellow shades. Little the sunset time I want to show, but I'll not show the reflection in water. So I'll start with my red now. Started red, little only I want to put red, orange, little more. Yeah, okay, little more I want. That's all. I don't want it much. Fine. So again, now I'll do yellow in the sun first. Fully yellow I want to make it. So full yellow. Actually my color had some different colors on it. I need to wipe it. Again the white also has color. I'll try to wipe it with the white first if it goes. Okay. If fine, it is faded now. So in case you also commit such mistake, no, so you can do it like this, but always make sure that you clean your color first and then do. So now you can see my sun is done. I'll continue the sky now with yellow. So everything I'm going to fill with the yellow. So first I'll fill the gaps with the yellow color, then later we'll drag it down and fill the whole space, as you can see. And need not to worry much because this is yellow color. If it is coming on the tree also little bit, then no issues, and on the bushes also if it comes, then also no problem, because anyway we are going to do green color for our bushes and tree. So for the green family we also include the yellow color, so it is perfectly fine. You can do it aram se, no problem. I'm just almost done with my yellow color. You can do it freely. If it is going inside the bush and tree, no problem at all. Okay, so I have merged it fully. All the spaces I have covered. Fine. Now I will do little bit for the sun. I want to put orange, little only, just to highlight it, that's all, because the base is also yellow and the sun. So little bit orange I have put. Done. We'll do the water also. As I said, we'll do the base color first. Yes, starting with the dark blue, and always the sky and the water are in sleeping direction. So I'm doing as I did my sky in sleeping, the same way I'm doing the water also in sleeping. As you can see, I am doing it little light because I don't want to make the water very dark. Okay, on top of it we'll do light blue. First we will fill the spaces, and then the rest of the space. Make sure the color does not go inside the other things, so that you can make the border as I have made. Ensure to make the borders so that color does not go inside other stuff. Fine, keep doing. Fill all the gaps. See, again the light blue also I'm not doing it very dark. I'm doing it normally. You can see lot of white spaces still. Why? Because I want to merge it with my white. That effect comes very nice if you do like that. You'll be able to see now. When you merge it, the same way you can do the sky also. Little light somewhere, but this is water, that's why I've done it fully blue. So now merging with the white. Okay, half is done, little bit more, same way. and make sure the one direction only you do. Don't go slant or standing. Water is in sleeping direction, it has to be in sleeping. Yes, so I've done all the merging here. My water is done. Okay. Now you can start with your trunk also, but I'm starting first with my the tree leaves. But I would say that better you do the tree trunk first. But if you want to follow the same, no issues. Both ways we can do. So for the tree, because tree has that fluffy effect, right? So to get that fluffy effect, we need to do it in circular motion, half circles, as you can see, half circle like this, or you can make full circles also, no problem. But with the dark color, try to make the half circles, it will look better with the dark color only. Yes, see how much I have done with the dark. Rest I will take my light green. Oh, it broke. Fine. With the dark green, see I am doing now full circles, and I am trying to fill all the spaces. It's coming out. Okay. Yeah. So again I have filled in circular, as you have seen, and it is already showing that fluffy effect. Now whatever the white gaps were, I filled with yellow. That yellow and green combination looks amazing, so I'm doing that. But make sure that you do in circular motion only, then only it will give the fluffy effect, otherwise it won't give the realistic and fluffy effect. As you can see, it's already looking beautiful. Done. Let's do the trunk. For the trunk, we'll take first black color. With the black color, you can give the outline, whatever the outline is, you can give the outline and the textures. See these lines, textures and the tree hole, hai na? That also we will do the textures like this. And with the brown, we will follow this, whatever we have done with black, we will just follow and try to fill little gap. Okay, rest of the space, whatever the white is, we are going to merge with a light color. If you do not have light brown, you can use peach color or yellow color also, no problem, or white can also work. Filling it. For this you can just do simply standing, no problem. See what a beautiful texture came. Fine. So tree is also done. Bushes. Oh, little bit water. Okay. Okay, so I'll do the bushes. The same shades I'm going to use here also as I did for the tree. The dark green, light green, and yellow also, if you want, you can add. And it is not the same drawing which I have drawn for the drawing tutorial, no? It is not the same drawing. This is the another one, but yeah, almost same. Few things, 2 or 3 changes are there. Okay, dark green done. This again, if you see the bushes also, I am doing in circular motion. You can give the tapping effect also if you want, as I have shown you already. Tapping effect also if you do, so it looks like as the flowers, because it's very far, no? So the dots looks like the small flower, tiny flowers. Fine. Land. For land first this line, and because it is little height, as you can say, it's in circle, it's little rounded, no? To show the height, I'll just color it this way. If you want to color it normally, no problem, you can color it normally also, like dark, medium and light, but I prefer to do like this. Same, the process is same, first dark color, then medium, and then light. So I'll just follow my dark color wherever the dark color is. I'll put my medium color. Medium color is light green. Then if you have more spaces and you want to merge it fine, you can have yellow. I like to use yellow color, so I'll take yellow. And whenever you do the third color for the merging, it merges well. There would be no spaces. The picture will look fine. See, now we are left with bench. So I started with the hairs of a girl, black and little brown. The bench, yes, brown color I'll follow. So fully, see, little space I'll leave. All the these outlines I'll do with a dark color. Here I'm doing it little light because I want to do another my light color on top of it. Yes, this is the light brown. We'll just do it. So wherever I have left the spaces, I'll cover it with this. This, okay, yeah, this also. And almost the bench color is done. Now let's color the girl's dress. Pink I would take. Dark pink, little space left for light pink. Merge it. For the hands and legs, simply take the skin color or peach color. Just color it simply. And yes, if you can see now, I left the space for this. The water, it should be water. So I have colored the light blue. Be careful while coloring this. Little space is there. So this is how we have filled our space. Almost we are done with our coloring part. The main part comes now, the detailing. Coloring is done, but detailing is necessary. I always say take your black pencil color or 8B Staedtler pencil to outline. And it's not necessary that you need to outline it fully. Just detail somewhere wherever it's needed, no? Just detail. So see, the bench detail, there was 2 lines inside, that is hidden now. So we will give that effect and the outlining with our pencil now. 1 line, 2 line, 1 line, 2 line. Okay, for this also and for girl. Then it will look fine. See. Okay, let's give the detailing wherever the outline is. Keep giving. For this, and one more thing, whatever the color is going out, you can rectify it with your outlining also. So that's again one advantage of outlining. If the color is going out, so with this you can just make it fine. And it's not necessary that you need to do, but just the detailing somewhere you do, that's all. Somewhere inside. Okay, so sun little, no need to do it fully. I'm doing it very light hand, just to show it that it is separated from that yellow color. Otherwise you won't be able to make it out properly. So it's done, quick and easy.